Welcome to my Easy Talk Corner. I'm a guy who shares English with you. If you are guys who are instated in English, like and subscribe to this channel. It helps you improve your English skills. Here's a story about Lily and a puppy. After you listen to this story, you can learn new vocabulary and grammar and take a mini quiz. One morning, Lily was walking to school when she heard a soft sound.
She looked around and saw a small brown puppy under a tree. It looked scared and cold. Lily didn't want to leave the puppy alone, so she decided to take it to school. She put the puppy in her school bag and walked carefully. At school, her teacher was surprised but smiled when she saw the puppy. Lily explained what happened. The teacher helped Lily call the animal shelter. Later that day, a kind woman came to take the puppy. She said, "Thank you, Lily. You helped this little dog find a safe home." Lily felt happy and proud. She hoped the puppy would be safe and loved.
Vocabu puppy, scared, wagged shelter, proud. 1. What did Lily find under the tree? A cat, B, a bird, C, a puppy. 2. Where did Lily take the puppy? A, to the market, B, to school, C, to her friend's house. 3. Who helped Lily call the animal shelter? A, the bus driver, B, her classmate, C, her teacher. 4. How did Lily feel at the end of the story? A, sad, B, angry, C, happy and proud.